In this video, I'll show you how to print shipping labels from Whatnot shopping app. Now, the process for the web version and the app version are going to be exactly the same. For the app version, what you want to do is go to Selling at the bottom center, and then you'll see Shipments. And I don't have an image of that, but you can see what the icon looks like here on the web version. And here you'll be able to see all your shipments. On the right, you can generate labels or export shipping label slips. Keep in mind that the web version or desktop version is the only one that allows you to bulk generate shipping labels. And then you just need to confirm your label size once you generate. And you can choose the option View and Print PDF or Send via email, and then print the labels. So it's important to keep in mind that you are not directly printing them from the app, you are just downloading the label, which then of course you can just go to the hamburger icon and hit print on your browser. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.